Hello, good morning. My name is Azzahra Aulila Ariant. My student number is C11.2022.02494. I will present my topic is flood. Flood is a natural disaster event that occurs when an excessive flows of water inundates land. Floods are caused by the volume of water in a body of water, such as a river or lake overflowing for a dam, so that water comes out of the river. Flooding can also occur in rivers when the flow exceeds the capacity of the waterways, especially at river bends. Flooding often results in damage to homes and shops built on natural rivers floodplain. The impact of flooding has on the environment, like floods can cause damage to facilities and infrastructure because floods can damage houses, buildings, vehicles, and also damage social facilities. Floods that overflow into the streets can cause problems, one of which is the paralysis of transportation routes. Solution and ways to tackle flooding. The way to deal with flooding is to improve the drainage system by repairing waterways, building dams, and creating stormwater control system. This will ensure that the water is properly channeled and does not accumulate, reducing the risk of flooding. Taking care of your surroundings and limiting environmentally damaging human activities can help reduce the risk of flooding. I think that's all. Thank you.